Hello students, based on one of the application of derivative rate change, let's do a question. Our question is, equation of motion of a particle is s equals to t cube minus 5t square plus 3t. When particle comes to rest, find acceleration at that time. So here we know that when particle comes to rest, there is no motion in particle. So at that time its velocity becomes 0. And when velocity is 0, we have to find acceleration at that time. Let's start with the solution. So here we have given s equals to t cube minus 5t square plus 3t. Next, velocity v is nothing but rate of change in object's position with respect to time t. So here we have to find derivative of s with respect to time t, which is equals to d by dt of t cube minus 5t square plus 3t. Next, d by dt of t cube minus, we take constant outside the derivative, so minus 5 into d by dt of t square plus 3 into d by dt of t, which is equals to, we use this formula here, derivative of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. So derivative of t cube is 3 into t to the power 3 minus 1 minus 5 into derivative of t square is 2 into t to the power 2 minus 1, and derivative of t is 1 into t to the power 1 minus 1. So here it is 3 into 1 into t to the power 1 minus 1. Next, t to the power 3 minus 1 is 2. So here it is 3 into t square minus 5 into 2 into t to the power 2 minus 1 is t to the power 1 plus 3 into 1 into t to the power 1 minus 1 is t to the power 0, which is equals to 3t square minus 5 into 2 is 10 here. So 10t plus 3 into 1 into t to the power 0 is 1. So 3 into 1, which is equals to 3t square minus 10t plus 3. So here we get equation of velocity as 3t square minus 10t plus 3. Next, let's find acceleration. Acceleration a is nothing but rate of change in velocity with respect to time t. So here a is dv by dt. So to find acceleration, we have to do derivative of v with respect to t. So here it is d by dt of 3t square minus 10t plus 3. It is an equation of velocity, which is, we take constant outside the derivative. So here it is 3 into d by dt of t square minus 10 into d by dt of t plus d by dt of 3. Next, we use this formula here, derivative of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. So here it is 3 into derivative of t square is 2 into t to the power 2 minus 1 minus 10 into derivative of t is 1 into t to the power 1 minus 1 plus 3 is constant here, so derivative of 3 is 0. Next, 3 into 2 into t to the power 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 10 into 1 into t to the power 1 minus 1 is t to the power 0. Next, 3 into 2 is 6. So here it is 60 minus 10 into t to the power 0 is 1. So here it is 60 minus 10 into 1, which is equals to 60 minus 10. So here we get equation of acceleration as 60 minus 10. Now when particle comes to rest, its velocity is 0. So when velocity v equals to 0, here we have 3t square minus 10t plus 3 equals to 0. To solve this quadratic equation, we use splitting the middle term. Here minus 10t is middle term, so we have to split minus 10t. Here coefficient of t square is 3 and constant term is 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. Now we have to find factors of 9 as their addition should be minus 10. So here we have 9 and 1, and minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. So we have two factors minus 9 and minus 1, and their addition is minus 10. Now we can split minus 10t as minus 9t minus t. So here we have 3t square minus 90 minus t plus 3 equals to 0. Now we take 3t common from these two terms. So here it remains t, here it remains minus 3. From these two terms we take minus 1 common. So here it remains t, here it remains minus 3, which is equals to 0. Next, from these two terms t minus 3 is common. So we take t minus 3 as common. So here it remains 3t, here it remains minus 1, which is equals to 0. Next, either t minus 3 equals to 0 or 3t minus 1 equals to 0. Here we have t minus 3 equals to 0, or this 1 goes to right hand side, so it becomes positive. So here we have 3t equals to 1. Next, this minus 3 goes to right hand side, so it also becomes positive. So here we have t equals to 3, and this 3 goes to right hand side, it was in multiplication. When it goes to right hand side, it is 1 upon 3. So here we get two values of t as t equals to 3 and t equals to 1 upon 3. Now we put these two values of t in equation of acceleration. First of all, when t equals to 3, acceleration is 60 minus 10. We put t equals to 3 here. So here it is 6 into 3 minus 10, which is 18 minus 10. So we get acceleration A is 8 meter per second square. Next, when t equals to 1 upon 3. So at t equals to 1 upon 3, acceleration A is 60 minus 10. We put t equals to 1 upon 3 in this equation. So here it is 6 into 1 upon 3 minus 10, which is equals to 6 upon 3 is 2. So 2 minus 10, which is equals to minus 8 meter per second square. So here we get value of acceleration in positive, here we get value of acceleration in negative. This positive value means velocity is increasing, negative value means velocity is decreasing. So when particle comes to rest, velocity v equals to 0, and we put equation of v equals to 0, we get two values of t, 3 and 1 upon 3. We put these two values in equation of acceleration, and we get two values of acceleration, plus 8 meter per second square and minus 8 meter per second square. Thank you for watching.